The Blink Outdoor 4 is a top pick for reliable wireless security, offering clear 1080p HD video and user-friendly features, perfect for outdoor surveillance. Its functionality and convenience stand out in the market. During the day, the camera provides crisp, clear video quality, ensuring effective monitoring. Its infrared night vision impresses by maintaining visibility even in low-light conditions, which is crucial for uninterrupted surveillance. A major highlight is the 2-year battery life, eliminating frequent recharging hassles. It's especially advantageous for outdoor areas with limited access to power, ensuring continuous operation without interruption. The camera's straightforward installation process is aided by its wireless design and included mounting hardware. This allows easy placement, ensuring the camera can be positioned exactly where needed. The two-way audio feature enables real-time communication, useful for interacting with visitors or monitoring pets. This enhances security and convenience by allowing users to hear and speak through the camera. The Blink app enhances the user experience with its intuitive interface. It allows seamless access to live feeds, motion alerts, and recorded footage, making monitoring your property straightforward and efficient. However, the camera falls short in advanced features like person detection and smart home integration found in pricier models. This might limit its appeal for users seeking comprehensive security solutions. Relying on cloud storage for video recordings, the camera may incur additional costs. The lack of local storage options could be a downside for privacy-conscious users who prefer offline storage solutions. Overall, the Blink Outdoor 4 is perfect for those wanting a simple, effective outdoor security camera. While it excels in basic functionality, users seeking advanced features or better night video quality might explore other options.